David Guetta recently used AI to generate an Eminem style rap.
This is the future rave sound. I'm getting lost in an underground. This is the future rave sound. I'm getting lost in an underground.
David Guetta stated that he believes that the future of music is in AI. I'm sure the future of music is in AI, for sure, there's no doubt, but as a tool. He's giving an optimistic outlook that AI will be used as a tool to enhance the creativity of musicians and not replace them. And he believes that AI can define new music styles, much like electric guitars led to the birth of rock and roll in the 60s, and how samplers helped revolutionize hip-hop with loops. Nothing is going to replace taste, he said. What defines an artist is you have a certain taste, you have a certain type of emotion you want to express, and you're going to use all the modern instruments to do that. He goes on to say that he will not be releasing this AI Eminem generated rap commercially.
There's something that I made as a joke and it works so good, I could not believe it.
And he gave us a little insight into how he created this song.
I discovered those websites that are about AI.
However, I've been playing around a little bit myself to create my own AI Eminem generated rap, and this is something that you can do too. The first tool I'm using is ChatGPT to generate the lyrics of an AI rap. So I've asked it to write a rap about music being created by AI in the style of Eminem. And we get out, listen up y'all, let me tell you about a new sensation, a machine that can create music without any hesitation. But my personal favorite was when I asked it to write a rap about broccoli. And we've got, yo, listen up, it's time to talk about broccoli, the veggie that's got no love, but it's so damn healthy. So we can copy this and come into another tool, which I'm using called uberdark.ai. And here, you can synthesize voices using their AI algorithm. It's very simple to use. All you have to do is select the voice. If you go to rappers, you then have a few options of Eminem. I've found Eminem All Eras to be my favorite. Then you can paste in your song and simply click on synthesize. This is what we get.
Broccoli, the veggie that gets no love, but it's so damn healthy. I know it's not a burger or a slice of pizza, but let me tell you, this green machine is a lifesaver.
Broccoli. And here we can hear it also with the previous rap about AI.
It's a whole new breed, from the way it thinks to the way it reads. It's changing the game and we're just getting started.
Now, I want to also play you one of the other algorithms that they have to generate Eminem's voice. This one is in his freestyle verse.
You listening up, it's time to talk about broccoli, the veggie that gets no love, but it's so damn healthy.
So that's how we can easily generate lyrics and a voice using AI that mimics Eminem. Next up, you can use a tool like Strophe, which is an AI music generator. I'll show you how that works. You come to strophe.com. From here, you can go to create and you get to select a mood for your track. And based on a number of different inputs, it will generate a song for you that's completely unique and uses AI. So let's go with something spirited. And then you have the option to automatically generate a song where it will randomly input the variables, or you can customize it yourself. We'll go ahead and customize it. Here I'm going to select retro futuristic. You can also change that to other options, including epic, orchestral, anime. If you pick another mood for your track, you get a different set of styles. If you click on this little arrow on the side, you can adjust the tempo. So I'm going to bump that up, and also the swing. We're going to have a medium amount of swing. You can also select the instrument pack that you'd like to use. This defines the instruments that are going to be combined inside of your music piece. I'm going to go along with dance synth. Now you can click on create. And in a matter of seconds, we've generated the lyrics, the voice, and the music for a brand new track in the style of Eminem. And this is what we get. It's a little bit jolly, but it doesn't quite fit for our Eminem song. So I'm going to use this hip hop version that I created earlier. So let's play this and involve the Eminem rap.
Listen up, it's time to talk about broccoli, the veggie that gets no love, but it's so damn healthy. I know it's not a burger or a slice of pizza, but let me tell you, this green machine is a lifesaver.
Watch this video next to see how AI is being used in the anime industry. You can also check out my AI courses in the description below. Thanks for watching. I'm Samson Voles. This is Delightful Design, and I hope you have a delightful day. AI is a whole new breed, from the way it thinks to the way it reads. It's changing the game and we're just getting started. AI is the new rock star and we're all party-hearted. Okay, enough of me rapping. David Guetta, one of the